Yesterday.
This is a Brooklyn-bound C local train. The next stop is 155th Street.
What? God.
And clear up the closing doors, please.
Wow. Yes, this is a new train that just actually came to service yesterday. They're named the model R211T, and it is a gangway model.
It started yesterday?
It started since yesterday, yeah? It's the second day. I love it too. It has more space for everybody. I can't believe that I caught this train, man. So it started yesterday too. That's the crazy part. There's more space for 5 cars. It's a soft shell. This is a soft shell version. The hard shell is on the other side. I cannot believe it. What? You guys like the big space of this train, right?
Absolutely.
This is very satisfying, man.
Absolutely.
See, MTA should be ahead.